My name is Vance Culver. I'm a product line manager here at Benchmade Knife Company. Today we're going to be talking about the 537 Bailout. The strength to weight ratio is a huge consideration for us in this knife. It features Gerber, which is a glass-filled nylon material with a high percentage of glass that gives it a strong structure. The CPM 3V blade allows us to go very thin with the blade without compromising the edge. The mini deep carry clip allows us to reduce the amount of material that we're using. The striking pommel on the 537 is 6061 T6 aluminum. The shape is a tonneau. It allows it to be a very high grind geometry. We've selected every material to maximize strength to weight ratio.
I'm Dave Spalding. As a 30-plus year law enforcement veteran, I learned pretty early on in my career that if I was going to carry a gun for a living, it was probably a good idea to also carry a knife. I also realized that I wanted a relatively small knife with a big knife feel, which brings us to the Gerber Answer Fast. This 3.3-inch folding blade with a aluminum handle with textured inlays is just big enough, but it's also just small enough. This one happens to have a Tonto blade, but it's also available in a drop point with a partially serrated blade for those hard-to-do cutting chores. On the side of the knife, you can see that there's a locking mechanism that actually is automatically engaged when the blade is deployed, but when you need to close the blade, you can merely pull down on it, push it against your body, and now it's closed. The tip-down carry makes it very easy to come up out of your pocket, engage the thumb, and get the knife open. Jimping on the top of the handle is very easy to engage with your thumb. And then of course these lower finger grooves engage the lower fingers nicely, and when combined with this curvature of the handle, as you can see, your hand locks nicely. The Gerber Answer Fast may very well be the answer to your daily carry or everyday carry folding knife needs. I'm Dave Spalding, and this is the Gerber Answer.
The M16 14 SFG, designed by Kit Carson, has a high-carbon stainless steel blade with a non-reflective black titanium nitride finish. The 3.875-inch dual-grind blade has a Tonto tip, which is excellent for penetration, and exclusive patented VEF serrations, which offer exceptional cutting of fibrous materials. The G10 handles form an open-build frame which is easy to clean and built to sustain heavy use. It also has a stainless steel locking liner which, when used with our auto-lock safety, automatically turns the folder into a virtual fixed blade. The auto-lock safety mechanism features easy one-handed closing. For convenient carry, the knife has a 4-position clip. The Carson flipper enables a smooth, fast, one-handed deployment, and the dual hilt acts as a blade guard. The Special Forces G10 models have been specifically designed with features requested by military procurement specialists.
This is the Schrade SCH911 DBS Assisted Opening Knife, one of 2 models in the SCH911 series. Designed for rapid, one-handed blade deployment, the SCH911 DBS has a drop point, partially serrated 3.5-inch black-coated 4034 stainless steel blade that can be quickly opened in one of 2 ways, either by using the ambidextrous thumb knob or by rotating the finger actuator located on the handle spine, making the SCH911 DBS the perfect assisted opening knife for police and rescue workers. The knife is secured in the open position with a reliable liner lock. And for added security, when the knife is in the closed position, you can engage the safety located on the side of the handle. To engage the safety lock, simply slide the safety up, covering the red dot. To close the knife, slide the safety lock on the handle towards the butt end of the knife and carefully rotate the blade into the handle. The edge and spine of this handsome blade converge to form a sharp and pointy tip, designed for piercing, probing, and precision cutting, while jimping on the blade spine and handle allow for greater cutting control and leverage. The SCH911 DBS's fine-edged part of the blade is ready for any rescue, tactical, or everyday carry cutting tasks, and the partially serrated edge increases cutting power when you need it most. An oxygen tank wrench is built into the handle, and a deployable strap cutter is available for slicing through seatbelts or quickly removing a pack in an emergency. A hardened glass-breaking tip on the butt of the handle adds to the versatility of this professional-grade first responder knife. The rugged, contoured nylon fiber handle of the SCH-911 DBS provides the steady grip needed during emergency rescue, as well as tactical and military challenges. Hold and comfort are further enhanced with index finger cutouts, and the sturdy pocket clip positions the knife in a pocket or on any belt up to 1.25 inches wide. Designed for professional rescue, tactical, and everyday carry, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCH-911 DBS Assisted Opening Knife. Available SCH-911 models are the SCH-911 with a matte finish scallop serrated blade and blunt tip, and the SCH-911 DBS with black drop point.
The M1614 ZLEK, designed by Kit Carson, has an AUS-8 high-carbon stainless steel blade with a black titanium nitride finish. The 3.75-inch hollow grind blade has a Tonto tip and combined razor-sharp and triple-point serrations. Tough glass-filled nylon handles provide a textured all-weather grip. A seatbelt cutter and tungsten carbide window breaker are built in for emergency situations. It also has a stainless steel locking liner, which when used with our auto-lock safety, automatically turns the folder into a virtual fixed blade. The auto-lock safety features easy one-handed closing. The Carson flipper enables a smooth, fast, one-handed deployment and acts as a blade guard. CRKT knives and tools are fully backed by our limited lifetime warranty. The M16 ZLEK series is the preferred choice for military and law enforcement professionals across.
SWFRS First Response Liner Lock Folding Knife. With the demands faced by first responders in mind, the SWFRS is designed to meet the challenges of emergency situations, wielding a variety of cutting surfaces in a versatile EDC folding knife. High-carbon 7CR17 Mo-V stainless steel forms the backbone of the 8.4cm drop-point blade, honed to a razor-sharp edge. The strong tip provides plenty of piercing power, and the partially serrated edge chews through resistant materials. Use the thumb plate to deploy the blade with either hand. A steel liner lock prevents accidental closure. The contoured stainless steel handle of the SWFRS is inlaid with textured G10 inserts. Underside index finger jimping enhances blade control, and the thumb plate on the spine provides leverage for increased cutting power. Push the liner lock to the side and rotate the blade to close. Steel liners protect the corrosion-resistant blade. A strap cutter, together with a glass breaker, are integrated into the handle, extending the tool's capacity to respond to emergencies. Slide the first response knife into a pocket or pouch, or clip to gear with a sturdy clip. As boldly handsome as it is practical, the SWFRS is a quality cutting tool designed.
The Foresight is a heavy-duty tactical knife designed by Ken Onion. A deep-bellied recurve blade features AUS-8 steel and is designed to take on any task that you may encounter in the field or on duty. The knife features a 3.5-inch modified drop-point style blade and a non-reflective black titanium nitride finish. The IKBS ball-bearing pivot system with a side flipper makes deploying the blade smooth and fast. The handle is cold-forged aluminum with well-defined finger grooves that are comfortable during hard use. The Foresight has a stainless steel locking liner for safety. A unique deep carry pocket clip keeps the knife discreet in the pocket or gear bag. CRKT knives and tools are fully backed by our limited lifetime warranty. The CRKT Foresight, a tactical knife that's big, heavy-duty, and built for professional use.
Today at CRKT we're showing you the Homefront. This knife has a World War I vintage look, and it's built for everyday carry. It's the first knife to feature designer Ken Onion's breakthrough field strip innovation, and here's how it works. While the knife is in the closed position, first, push the front release lever up away from the blade side. Then spin the release wheel on the rear of the handle away from the pivot shaft. Once you feel the handle release, pull it up and away from the blade. There are no parts and you don't need any tools to take this knife apart. To put the knife back together, place the 3 components of the knife in their closed position. Press the handles together and spin the release wheel counterclockwise. You'll want to push the front lever down towards the blade and then make sure the rear wheel is tight and the knife comes back together. Overall, when assembled and open, the knife measures in at 8.3 inches. The blade length is 3.5. The Homefront is also equipped with a plain edge AUS-8 stainless steel blade. When open, the blade is held securely in place by a locking liner for safety. To close the knife, slide the locking liner over with your thumb and disengage the blade. The handles are made from 6061 aircraft grade aluminum, and it's a one-position pocket clip that is a tip-up carry. With this breakthrough field strip technology, you can purge it of mud and dirt at camp. If you're a soldier, you can rid of it of sand in the field, and mechanics can wipe it clean, without having to return to the workbench to get any tools or anything. It's very useful while in the field, and it's a CRKT first. Thanks for watching and for carrying CRKT knives and tools.